Hi everyone, welcome to Lee's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make roasted duck at home. The duck I bought is a frozen young duck and weighted 2.8 kilograms. It's important to remember the weight and because it's impact how much seasoning we're going to use and also the cooking time. The duck already defrosted overnight. And now I'm going to show you step by step how to make it. I'm going to making the seasoning first. 100 grams of sea salt and 10 grams of peppercorn. I'm going to grind the peppercorn. Turn on the heat to low and put the 100 grams salt into a pan and fry the salt. Meantime, we can grind the peppercorn. Keep stirring the salt until the salt becomes slightly brown, and we can add the peppercorn powder and turn off the heat because it's very easy to burn the powder. We just use the residue heat from the salt. Put it aside, let it cool down. Wash the duck and cut the wing. Cut the extra fat, also the bottom. Wash the inside and outside a few times. So the duck is washed and cleaned. Now I'm going to use Chinese cooking wine to rub the whole body. It's about 2 tablespoons. Kitchen towel to dry the skin. Now the seasoning is cooled down, so we can put the seasoning onto the skin and in the inside too. Also all the wings and the legs. Now I used all the seasoning and I'm going to put this into the fridge for 24 hours to let it marinate. The duck had been in the fridge overnight. Now have a look. A lot of water came out, so I'm going to wash it and in the meantime use a big pot to boil hot water. Now we try to push some air between the skin and the meat. This side is good. Now I'm going to make some glaze to put it on the duck skin. So I pull out 2 tablespoons maltose and 2 tablespoons vinegar. This is a red vinegar, can give better color. And 100 milliliter, about 80-degree hot water. Once the water reaches boiling temperature, hold the duck and put it inside. Count to 10 seconds. And make sure the cavity inside the water too. So after 40 seconds, we take out from the pot and going to put the duck on the turkey stand. And in the meantime, boil the hot water again until boiling temperature. Until the water bubbling again, now I'm going to pour the hot water onto the duck on both sides. Now let the duck cool down. Once the duck is not hot, I'm going to put the glaze with the brush. also underneath the wings. And after one side, turn to the other side. You need to do like 3 times. Now it's time to let it dry out, the skin. I usually use a bottle, a glass bottle, and fill with water. And let the duck sit on the bottle. And put a chopsticks between the wings so the air can go underneath the wing. Put 2 Q-tips between the legs. You can let it dry like this or use the hair dryer. The duck look pretty chill. Now I turn on the fans and let it cool down and leave it alone. The duck had been fan dried for 6 hours and now it's all dry. The skin are very smooth. We're going to bake the duck. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Cavity with orange and apple and use a toothpick to suture the gap. Use aluminum oil to cover the wings and the legs, also the top. Now it's ready. I'm going to put it into the oven for 40 minutes. The most common side dish used with duck are green onion, cucumber, and carrot. Now I'm going to prepare those while the duck is baking. Already baked for 40 minutes. I'm going to lower down the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit. And I'm going to take out the duck from the oven. And going to put the glaze on the skin. Cover the top and turn the other side 180 degrees to put it back into the oven for 20 minutes. We are preparing the sauce. Turn on the stove to high. Put some oil. Once the oil is hot, put a sweet bean paste. For 5 tablespoons. Low down the heat. And 2 teaspoons sugar, some water. Let it cooking for 5 minutes. 20 minutes after I took out from the oven, now I'm going to take all the folio out. And I'm going to give another brush. back into the oven in 90-degree angle. The bird had been in the oven for 2 hours. Now I'm going to check the inner temperature to make sure it had been fully cooked. The inner temperature should be around 160 to 170 Fahrenheit. And the cooking time is 1 kilogram every 40 minutes. So let's have a look. It's cooked already. Once the temperature reaches 165 to 170, it's inside is already cooked, so it's good. Now we're going to slice the duck. Look at the skin, are very crispy, and meat are soft. So, okay, now it's time to eat. Put some of the sauce, carrots, green onion, cucumber, and the meat. Don't forget to push the bottom up so it won't leak out. Okay, good to eat. For the skin, you can just dip into the sugar and eat it. Thank you for watching.